The PocketJig100 by Milescraft. The smallest, most convenient pocket hole solution from Milescraft comes with the tools you need to get started and finished fast. Don't underestimate this little guy. The single barrel jig is compact, portable, and easy to store. The small size allows you to complete repairs in tight spaces. The jig body is designed with self-measuring and centering marks to help eliminate the need for measuring before drilling in both metric and imperial measurements. A strong rare earth magnet and recessed clamping pocket holds the jig securely to Milescraft face clamps or any other metallic clamps and allows for quick repositioning. The PocketJig100 also includes a 3/8 inch high-speed steel step drill bit and anti-roll depth stop with flat for when you're ready to drill. Each jig is special designed to help clear wood chips from the hole to improve drilling performance. When ready to fasten your screws, use the included 6-inch T20 Torx magnetic driver to complete your projects. And it's great for all pocket hole projects like cabinets, shelves, bookcases, storage projects, and more. Make sure you reach for the Milescraft PocketJig100 the next time you start any pocket hole project. Milescraft. Always the better idea.